Alright, just a quick one, lads, before this video starts. Section 17 has officially added hoodies. I have had a fair amount of requests for the hoodies, so there you go. Still the same designs. I am going to be focusing more on designs in a later date. But yeah, and also I do ship to America and other international countries. But yeah, if you do want to check this out, it is in the description box below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Just a quick one before this video starts as well. Please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If you could subscribe, that'd be a big help. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, what's going on, guys? Another tier list video. I'm very excited for this one, I can't lie. Yeah, let's just get straight into this because I know this is going to be a relatively long video. The first one, we have the COVID relief one. Just for the person that did this, I think his name is some Asian Donny. I do not know, but he's very popular. If he didn't make this box logo, no one would really fuck with it. So you know, like I don't even fuck with it anyway. So it is gonna go B spot. This one, this is a famous artist. This is in my top 5 box logos. He like, he's got this certain style where he like does stuff with like a felt tip pen or whatever. This is goated. Yeah, this is sick. Cross box logo, straight up trash. Like what the level of creativity, this is just fuckery. I actually despise this box logo. Yeah, get off my screen, mate. The split CDG box logo, this is goated. Real talk, yeah, very underrated box logo. It come out recently, well, it come out in like 2019, I want to say, but yeah, such a goated box logo and one of the best box logos that have come out in the past 5 years. Very underrated box logo. And now we got the Coca-Cola box logo. I know it's not called the Coca-Cola box logo, but I don't know what it is. This is B tier list. This is decent, nothing crazy. Okay, cool. Now the Bape one. I would put this goated just for the simple fact that it's Bape and Supreme. It should really go up there, but it is gonna go A tier list because yeah, it's my tier list. Believe this was a San Francisco store opening one. This is gas, all black box logo. Come on now, yeah, you cannot even like this on that. Um, the other CDG box logo, it's not goated, it's not A tier. This is C tier. It's still decent, but yeah, nothing crazy. The Futura box logo. This is so mediocre. I need to put some at number C because yeah, I need to. Maybe wait. No, how about that? Yeah, lovely, love that. The Tiffany and Co box logo, Tiffany and No. To be fair, I do rate the blue, but it isn't top tier. It isn't like the A tier. This medium tier. The Poochie box logo. This is serious. This is serious. I'm gonna put this A tier just for the simple fact that it's one of the best box logos we've got recently, and it did come in 3 other colorways as well, but this is one of the best colorways. This is. I believe this is a store opening one or something. I'm not too sure, but this is goated. I love the 2 bullet holes it's got going on. The black box logo as well just tops it off as well. This is serious, fucking serious. Alright, now we got the Burberry box logo. I am going to be biased on this because Burberry is my favourite brand, but this is goated, real talk. Burberry's, yeah, sick. The Swarovski logo, obviously Swarovski crystals. I do rate this. I can't lie. Just for the simple fact that it's actually got crystals on it, and it's just very creative. Not really wearable though, and very tacky. Like I wouldn't like if I saw someone out in this, I'd be like, oh, okay, fair enough, bro. Um, I want to put it A tier. Nah, it's gonna go B tier just for the simple fact I didn't want to put it next to these masterpieces. Well, no, these are the masterpieces. These are the OKs. No, these are the. It don't matter. It don't fucking matter. The Louis Vuitton box logo. It's gonna have to go in. I'm sorry. Yeah, real talk. This is a serious box logo. Yeah. Right, the 911 box logo, obviously I believe this one was for 911. It can't go next to this one. It's gonna have to go here just for the simple fact that you can't really see Supreme on it. The American flag makes it cheesy as well. What? I've just remembered I didn't do the UK store opening one. Basically it is like this, but instead of the USA flag, it's got the British flag. Um, that one is at number C as well. So yeah, the bling box logo. Oh, I haven't seen an uglier box logo. Real talk, yeah. The bling box logo is vile, mate. Disgusting. Definitely trash. Now we got the. Oh, I can't believe they even created this as well, and people expected to rock it. Like, get out of here, mate. Now we got the snake skin box logo. This is serious. This is actually serious. I don't want to put it goated, but this is gonna go A. This is a very respectable box logo. I can't even lie. And now this box logo. This box logo is sick. Obviously, it's just a normal red box logo, but instead of the R, it's got a gun. Um, I'm gonna go A tier, mate. It's gonna go A tier. Um, ah, A tier. Yeah, fuck it. The Arabic box logo. I really don't like this box logo. Some people do like it. It's definitely not trash, but it's gonna go C tier list. A lot of people do like this box logo. I think it's mid as fuck. Nothing crazy. And that one is with the cause as well. Everyone liked this one. I mean, it's not an ugly box logo. I'd still rock it, but it's nothing crazy. Obviously, I know cause. I can't do cause like that. Actually, I am gonna boost up to C because cause is a very respectable artist and brand, so it's gonna have to go here. And now we've got the bandana box logo, the paisley print. Sorry. This is gonna go A tier list. I do fucks with the bandana print differently, and especially the brown colorway as well. A tier list. Fight me on that, but A tier list. And now we've got the Damien Hirst box logo. Real talk, yeah. I don't give a fuck if Damien Hirst is your favorite artist. This is straight up trash. You can't even see the Supreme on this box logo. The circles on it, like, no, I don't want colorful circles on my fucking t-shirt. Like, oh, this actually just, yeah, I really hate this box logo. I'd probably say the worst box logos. It goes the Bling box logo, and then the Damien Hirst box logo, and then this box logo. Real talk. But maybe that actually. Yeah, that, because I'd rather rock this than that any day. Now we got the Brooklyn store opening box logo. This is goated again. I love the camo print it's got going on. This is one of my favorite box logos. If I had to pick, it'd probably go this box logo, this box logo. Wait, actually, yeah, those three in that order, and then that one and that. Yeah. Anyway, the Gucci box logo. I do not even like this logo. I think it's just tacky. It's definitely not goated. Don't go up with the Burberry and Louis Vuitton one. It's gonna go B. I can't lie. It's gonna go B. Yeah, nothing really crazy. The shiny box logo. Was it the hologram? I don't know, but shiny box logo. I'm not rating. Um, as well as this box logo, the line box logo, I'm not really rating either. But yeah, this is a box logo tier list. If I had to pick the normal box logo as well, obviously the normal box logo is goated. Obviously, it's the first box logo ever created. It's just a staple in Supreme's catalog or whatever. But yeah, that is going to be it for this tier list. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.